Important key piece, I think, is ERM, or Enterprise Relationship Management. And that is a tool to capture the contacts from the signature blocks of emails and create who knows who relationships, along with relationship strength based on the recency and frequency of communication. It minimizes the attorney effort. It's not an Outlook sync. So for 20 plus years, we thought we had to have an Outlook sync, and it made sense, right? In corporations, we're not like a corporation where you start your new job, they hand you the keys, and you have the CRM and there's your contacts. No, the contacts come in with the new lawyer who joins the firm, and they're typically in a PST file or in their Outlook, and you've got to get them in. Makes sense, but there's also a lot of problems with that. People put stuff into Outlook and they never take it out, they never update it, so it becomes garbage. They create multiple records. People know the same people. When you bring those records over, you create thousands of duplicates that take a lot of time to clean up. And there's always the dead person, the retired person in there. And it made sense for a long time, but now people don't use Outlook like they used to. The more I talk to people, they're like, yeah, you're right, I don't really use it anymore. And if they do, it's just this warehouse of bad data. So the ERM instead is going to capture those from a signature block of an email on the Exchange folder, and the attorney does nothing. No training, no implementation, no installation, nothing. And so they're not going to do data entry. They have less patience now for data entry and training than I've ever seen. So these new tools are absolutely essential. In the old CRM, who knows who, based on that person was in Outlook and I shared that person, so I must know them. You go to that person and ask them, they're like, I have no idea who you're talking about. Or it might be somebody they met years ago or they were up against in court, whatever. You don't really know who knows who well. These tools really help with that.